Mr. Charan, my register number is CO15CS134. I've given a programming data structure in order to find the row and column major address calculations. I need to perform this operation with the various rows and columns. So the question given to me is create embed matrix, and in order to find the calculation of address with the following matrix. Um, now I've given a source code for different programs like 1D array, row major order, row major 2D, column major 2D, row major 3D, column major 3D. Now here I've given with the hash include IO stream, which gives the basic header file for C++ program. Further, I've given the namespace std file, which helps me to reduce my work while giving the cout and cin statements. The main statement is generally used in order to run the command and start the command. Next, int I have initialized j to 5, and now one more variable I have initialized to I. This I helps me in order to increase the size of my array from 0 to 5, and pointer is a variable which helps me to store which helps me to store another variable, and I have generally given this pointer in order to store the data, store the value of a. Further, for I have used one for loop in order to get my result, as I have to calculate for n number of arrays. So as I have taken the size a to be 5, I have given here I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. And I have given pointer. This is the basic formula in order to find the address. After getting this, I have given a cout statement in order to print the address of A, and that is what I have done here. And the as you can see here, it is the address of pointer which I have got here, and I have used a slashing statement in order to get the value in the next line. Now I'm gonna run and build this. As you can see, this is the output which I have got for address 0 when I is equal to 0, so on till I equal to 5. Now I'm gonna explain you about the row major order for the row major order for 2D program. IO stream is again the basic header file in C++. As I've said, namespace std is a standard library file. In main is generally used to start the program. Here I have initialized int a 3 and 4. In general, 3 is like I, and 3 is like I, and 4 is like j. 3 represents the row size, and j represents the column size. Uh, Here we declared pointer variable named pointer, and next, int I equal, as I have declared my row size to be 3 and column size to be 4. I have used two for loops in order to get the row size of 2D array, that is for int I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, j is equal to 0, j less than 4, j plus plus. The pointer is generally used in order to find the address of row major order in 2D arrays. Generally, we need to take the row column size is 4, so in order to find the row major order, we need to find we need to take the column size in the formula. As you can see, I have initialized A00, which is the matrix, which is the 00 matrix is the first matrix which I have considered, and further the column size into I, that is row, plus column j. By this I get the address of the pointer, so I have given cout statement as address of I, address of a of I and a of j, and I have given a slash t statement in order to get the space. Further, I give the return statement which ends the program. Now I'm gonna compile it, and you can get the result over here. This is the result for the row major order of 2D array, and further I'm gonna do with the column major of 2D. This is quite as similar as the row major order of 2D array. Here what I have done is the entire process is same. I have taken here to be I as 3 and j as 4. The only thing which changes over here is, as I have said before, in row major order address, it is going to be 4, which is column size, and here it's going to be 3, which is the row major size. and the remaining process is as same as that in the row major 2D or row major order of 2D array. And similarly, I give address of A of J I and A of J C out for which I have given the input, and you're going to see the statement which is run. And here is the address of 2D column major 2D array. You can view it in full screen. And further, I have two more to show. That is row major order for 3D array and column major for 3D array. That is here I have a 3 which is a of I, j and k. I have initialized I to be 3, j to be 4 and k to be 5. Here I is same as rows, j is columns which I have assumed before, but the additional one which is k, that k is used as sets in this program. Further, I have given the statement as pointer which is the formula in order to find the basic address calculation of 3D array. I've initialized same like the previous ones as a of 0 0 0, which is generally used in order to get the basic variable of the starting one. Further, I give the formula to be I, which is the row size into 3 into 4 plus 4 and j plus k. J is the row size and j is the column size and k is the number of sets. And further, I gave a cout statement in order to get the address of a of I, j and k, all the three. Further, I gave a cout statement in order to get the slash cout statement in order to get the cat in order to get the address in the next variables. And further, I have a column major 3D. In this also I have done with the same, but as I've used j there, I've used I here, and k I've used in order to get the column major address. By this, you can see the result of column major order, and likely you can see the row major order even. This is what I've done in order to get the find the row major and column major address of the given 1D array, 2D array and 3D array. By this I conclude my speech, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you.